Today's medical-centric topic is healthy cooking oils, the ultimate guide. Choosing the right cooking oil can significantly impact your health, flavor, and nutritional intake. Each type of oil has its own set of benefits, ideal cooking uses, and nutritional profile. This ultimate guide explores various healthy cooking oils, helping you make informed choices based on cooking needs, health benefits, and stability at high temperatures. Understanding cooking oils. Cooking oils are extracted from plants, seeds, nuts, and fruits. The healthiest oils are those high in unsaturated fats, low in saturated fats, and stable enough to resist oxidative damage during cooking. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Best for dressings, marinades, and low-temperature cooking. Health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like polyphenols, supports heart health, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Smoke point. 325 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 to 190 degrees centigrade. 2. Avocado oil. Best for sautéing, roasting, and high-heat cooking. Health benefits. High in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, good for heart health, and has a higher smoke point than most vegetable oils. Smoke point, 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 270 degrees Celsius. 3. Coconut oil. Best for baking, frying, and medium-heat cooking. Health benefits. Contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently, aiding in energy usage and possibly weight management. Smoke point. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees centigrade. 4. Canola oil. Best for baking, frying, and all-purpose cooking. Health benefits. Low in saturated fat, high in monounsaturated fat, and contains omega-3 fatty acids. Smoke point. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. 5. Walnut oil. Best for salad dressings and finishing dishes. Health benefits. Rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids including alpha-linolenic acid, contributing to improved heart health. Smoke point. 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees centigrade. 6. Flaxseed oil. Best for cold dishes like salad dressings or drizzling over cooked vegetables. Health benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which is beneficial for heart health. Smoke point. Not suitable for cooking. 7. Grapeseed oil. Best for high-heat cooking, frying, and sautéing. Health benefits. High in polyunsaturated fats and vitamin E, has a neutral flavor. Smoke point. 420 degrees Fahrenheit, 216 degrees Celsius. 8. Sesame oil. Best for Asian cuisine, low-heat dishes, and flavoring. Health benefits. Contains sesamol and sesamin, antioxidants that may help lower blood pressure. Smoke point. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees centigrade for unrefined, 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 degrees centigrade for refined. 9. Peanut oil. Best for frying and high-heat cooking. Health benefits. High in monounsaturated fats, promoting heart health. Smoke point. 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees centigrade. When selecting cooking oils, consider the type of cooking you do, the flavor you prefer, and the health benefits you seek. Oils with higher smoke points are better for high-heat cooking to prevent oxidation, which can release harmful free radicals. Integrating a variety of oils into your diet can provide a wide range of fats and nutrients, contributing to a balanced diet and enhancing the flavor of your meals.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.